Namaskar children, welcome to our LKG English class. This is your teacher Shraddha ma'am from New Era Global School. Let us start our class with a prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om. Rub your hands, children, and put them on your eyes. Open your eyes slowly. Namaskar, everyone. Now, let us start our class with the revision of our flashcards. So, let us start our revision of U sound up words. Up, Okay, what is the first picture, children? It is the picture of a tub. Tub. Next is the picture of a cub. This is a baby lion. Cub. Next picture is of rub. Rub. Our next cluster was words. 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 And which were our flashcards for words, children? The first one is the picture of a bottle of gum. Gum. Next is the picture of hum. Hum matlab gungunana. Next is the picture of a mum. She is the mother of these two children, and the other mum is to be quiet, to keep quiet, keep mum. Mum. Our next cluster will be words. And g together gives us the sound of ugh. Okay. And which was the first picture, children, in the words? It was pug. Next is the picture of mug. Mug. Next picture is of hug. See, the mother and the child are hugging each other. Hug. Hug. Next is the picture of a jug. Jug. Now, children, let us see some more U sound words. Now, tell me, children, what do you see in this picture? This man, what is he doing? Is he doing some exercise? Yes, he is running. You run when you have the running competition in your school. Yes, children, every year during our sports day we have running competition. What is this man doing? He is running. He is running to stay fit. He is running to stay fit. You also jog and do many more exercise to stay fit. To stay fit, you should keep doing exercise to stay fit and healthy, है ना. हम पूरा दिन खाते पीते हैं, सोते हैं, पर हमें इसके अलावा एक्सरसाइज भी हर रोज करनी जरूरी है. So this is one type of exercise. Run. Next picture, children, is of yummy burger. But do you know what is this, children? Burger किस चीज में बनता है? Burger बनता है bun से. Bun. Bun. They are circle in shape, spherical in shape. Bun. Next is the picture of a gun. Who uses a gun, children? A policeman uses a gun. Cop uses a gun. Gun. Next is the picture of sun. This is the sun, which is yellow and orange in color. Sun shines daily on us, yes, and because of the sun we stay healthy, because it kills all the germs which is around us, yes. And sun gives us heat and light. सोचो अगर सन नहीं होता तो पूरा टाइम ठंड होती. क्या आपको अच्छा लगता? नो. बिना लाइट के क्या आपको अच्छा लगता? सन नहीं होता तो लाइट भी नहीं होती. So sun gives us natural light and heat. And what is the spelling of sun? Sun. So what flashcards did we do, children? Today we saw the flashcards of U sound, new cluster, that is un. What was the flashcards? Sun, which is yellow and orange in color. It is our source of natural light and heat. Next is the picture of gun. Who uses a gun, children? You have toy guns also maybe at your place, but the real gun is used by the cops or the policeman. Policeman is also called a cop. So gun. Next was the picture of a bun. This is round in shape and it is used in making burgers. Yes, children. Bun. And the first picture we saw was of a man running, doing exercise, which is very good for our body. It keeps us healthy. Run. So, what is going to be our today's classwork and homework? Yes, it is going to be unwords, unsound, U sound, uncluster words in our worksheet, which is page number 52. Page number 52, full page in worksheet. This is your classwork, and what will be your homework? Unwords in notebook. Unwords in notebook. What is your homework? Unwords in notebook. So let us start our today's classwork and homework. Our classwork will be page number 52. Page number 52 in your worksheet. So what will you do, children? You will first write CW and date. This is page number 52 of worksheet. And our today's classwork is onwards in worksheet. Write down CW date. Be ready with your pencil eraser to do your classwork along with me and your homework with your mama. So, what is the first step we do when we do our classwork in the worksheet, children? Yes, we read the sentences. So, let us start reading the first sentences. Okay, children, let us start. I like to eat ba ba bun bun. I like to eat bun मतलब I मतलब मैं, like मतलब पसंद है, to eat bun मुझे बन खाना पसंद है. I like to eat bun. Bun is the unword, Next line, it is fun. It is fun to run in the sun. It is fun to run in the sun. इसका मतलब हमें बहुत ही मजा आता है सन में, जब धूप निकलती है तब रन करने में. It is fun. Fun मतलब मजा आता है. To run in the sun. It is fun to run in the sun. And what was the first word? What was the first sentence? I like to eat bun. I like to eat bun. Okay, so which are the unwords here? Unbun, unfun, unrun, unsun. So now after the reading, what is the next thing we do, children? Recognition of the pictures, and then we will draw them here. Okay, so the first picture is of run. So how will you draw the first picture, children? Let us start. A slant line and another standing line. Another slant line and standing line. Make shoes. A curve, another curve, and make shoes. This is the picture of run. And how do you spell the word run, children? R is letter R, A is letter U, N is letter N. Run. Next line, children, let us write the same spelling. R is letter R. R is letter R. A is letter U. N is letter N. Run. Next line, children, the same word we will write. R is letter R. A is letter U. N is letter N. Run. Next is the picture of a bun. This is the picture of a bun. How will you draw the picture of a bun? It will be a down curve. Okay. A sleeping line in the middle, children. Down curve, sleeping line. Then few zigzag lines here and a rectangle. This is the picture of a bun, and then you put some dots here. Sesame seeds मतलब तिल होते हैं ना, इसके ऊपर bun के ऊपर. This is the picture of a bun. And how will you write the spelling of bun, children? B is letter B, so I will write here letter B. A is letter U, N is letter N. Bun. Next will be B is letter B, A is letter U, N is letter N. Bun. bun, bun, bun. Last line, b is letter B, a is letter U, n is letter N. Bun, bun, bun. And this is the picture of sun. This is the picture of a sun. How will you draw it? A circle and then standing in slant lines on its all sides. This will be the picture of a sun. And how will we write the spelling of sun, children? S is letter S, A is letter U, N is letter N. Sun, sun, sun. Next line. Sun. Next line. Sun. Last is the picture of a nun. Who is a nun, children? आप देखते होंगे अगर आप कोई चर्च में जाते हो तो जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे महाराज होते हैं ना, हो ना, महाराज होते हैं, वैसे उनके यहाँ पे भी जो पूजा करते हैं चर्च में, वो मेल जो होते हैं वो होते हैं फादर और जो फीमेल होते हैं वो होते हैं नन। वो वहां पे रहते हैं और उनके भगवान की पूजा और प्रेयर करते हैं वहां पे. This is the picture of a nun. So how will you draw the picture, children? If you can draw, otherwise take the help of your parents. You can draw a curve, upward curve, up and down, a sleeping line in there for the forehead. Okay. This is the picture of a nun. 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 N is letter N. So I will write here letter N. A is letter U. N is letter N. Nun. Next line. N is letter N. A is letter U. N is letter N. Nun. Last line. N is letter U. N is letter N. A is letter U. N is letter N. None. So this was our class work. Page number 52, full page. We did the reading, CW date, drawing, recognition of the pictures and writing the spellings. Run, bun, sun, nun. Okay, children. Now let us see how will you do your homework. So children, what will be our homework? Will be in the 4-line English notebook 4-line. इसके पहले हमने क्या किया था? words, okay. And then you must have done the crossword puzzle, the unscrambling also. And now we are going to do today, right here, HW homework, and mention the date. Our heading will be onwards. Words in our notebook. So what will be our first word, children? Nun. Bun. Then next will be sun. Sun. And the last one will be run. run, run. So this is half page or full page your homework. And our classwork was in our worksheet on page number 52. In our worksheet on page number 52, that is full page. Okay children, this is your page number 52. This is full page your homework, unwords. Okay, and let us revise which are our unwords children. Run, run. Burn, burn. Sun. None. These were our unwords, your classwork and your homework. So next children, we will meet with a new activity in our next video. But until then, be at home, stay safe, keep learning phonic sounds and all the CVC words. Thank you. Namaskar. Have a good day.